Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation that you see guys right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the fog lights relay is located, it's actually extremely hidden. Stay with us, we will explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important guys to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you can, and you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the fog lights relay guys, okay, it's extremely hidden. We'll talk where you can find it now. So you guys, okay, we'll demonstrate on that Toyota Corolla. You have multiple fuse boxes. One, if you open the hood guys, okay, you'll find that under that cover on the right side, if you face the engine, it's the main engine fuse box. You have quite a few relays here, okay, right there. Before we continue guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video, please check it out. So fog lights relay. Oh, by the way, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, that way you do not waste money and time. You have multiple relays, but none of these guys is for the fog lights. You have another fuse box after that under the dash on the driver's side. If you remove that cover, that's a fuse box, but no relays. So where are the relays guys? Okay, you start wondering where you can have them. You have a special relay box that's behind, kind of like the radio entertainment system here guys. Okay, and it's behind it, and that relay box will have 5 different relays in it. Okay, that will be the diagram of those relays, 5 of them. And the very first one on the left side, that's the one for the fog lights. It's actually in the dash guys, behind the radio. Very inconvenient, but that's where it is. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.